In this class today we are going to discuss the sex determinations and development. The topic is sex determinations and development. So 0 to 6 week embryo. Dear student, please focus on the board for only 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, what happened? 0 to 6 week embryo, you can see the embryo is known as sexually indifferent. What? Sexually indifferent. That means it is neither a male nor a female, right? And the embryo has potential to form an either male body or a female body under the influence of steroid hormones. Okay. So you can see the whole structures. So 0 to 6 week embryo, and you can see the internal development. The whole figure is for internal development. We will discuss the external development in the next class. Okay. So dear students, here you can see the whole internal organs. And the first important point you have to remember, dear students, the first point is 0 to 6 week embryo is known as sexually indifferent, right? What is the exact meaning of this statement? It means it is neither male nor a female. This embryo has the potential to form either a male child or biological female child, right? Either a male child or a female child, right? Number 2, my dear students. So the internal in the internal structures here, you can see the paramesonephric duct. What you can see, and then you can see the mesonephric duct. Then you can see the embryonic gonads, and you can see the cloaca. Right, 4 structures. Dear students, this embryonic gonads, that means this one, you have to know this embryonic gonad is developed into an either testis or ovaries, right? That means what? This embryonic gonad, it has both the testicular tissue and the ovarian tissue as well, right? So the testis, that means male, or ovaries, that means what? Female, right? So you understood that the embryonic gonads, it has potential to develop either testis in male or ovaries in female, right? Next structures here you can see the mesonephric duct. Mesonephric duct, it is also known as Wolffian duct. Okay. So now next is mesonephric duct, right? So mesonephric duct, it is finally developed into male reproductive organ. It is developed into what? Male reproductive organ, right? The next, dear students, you can see paramesonephric duct. So the mesonephric duct, it is surrounded by paramesonephric duct. So the third, then the fourth one is paramesonephric duct, right? And it is finally developed into female reproductive organ. Okay. What? female reproductive organ. And the next you can see, this is the fourth. The next you can see cloaca. What about cloaca? So dear students, cloaca, it is a common chamber. It is a what? Common chamber. Common chamber for opening of digestive, reproductive, and urinary opening, right? That's all. So now you understood, dear students, that the internal development of a 0 to 6 week embryo, this embryo is neither a male nor a female. The embryo is known as sexually indifferent, and in this embryo, the internal structures, you can see the embryonic gonads. So it has a potential to develop either testis in male or ovaries in female under the influence of the hormones, okay, or proteins, different factors. Next, you can see the mesonephric duct. So the mesonephric duct, it finally developed into male reproductive organs. What? Male reproductive organs, right? And their students. Next, you can see the paramesonephric duct. So it developed into female reproductive organ. It developed into what? Female reproductive organ, right? The next, you can see this one, cloaca. So cloaca is basically a common chamber. It basically a common chamber for the opening of the digestive system, reproductive systems, and urinary systems. Okay. So this is very important. I hope that you understood the whole things, and thank you so much for visiting here. And please, if you are still not subscribed, then subscribe our channel for the regular updates. Thank you.